Okay, so this is Mach 3. This is the control software for the CNC. We're going to change the collet. So to change the collet, the first thing we need to do is we need to lift the CNC spindle up. So our spindle is just a router, but we still need to lift it up. So we're going to hit Tab, and that's going to show us the rate at which is going to move. And we care about this slow jog rate. We want it to be 50%. Anything faster than that, and you're probably not going to be able to control it. You can set it slower to that if you're patient. Just show you, I'm just going to set it to 20%. And now, when I press the page up button, my CNC spindle is going to go up. So let's take a look at that. You can actually just stop it to start. So we lift the CNC up so we have access to it. There's no sense in working on it while it's down because it's so easy to lift it up. You want to be careful not to let the spindle, the Z carriage, run into either. You don't want it to run off the rails, and you don't want to run into the shaft coupler, the black shaft coupler at the top that's spinning either. So this is about as far up as we want to do. So these are the 2 wrenches that we use. I keep them in this box. All of the CNC stuff is in this box pretty much. I don't need this. Okay, so I have the 2 wrenches. I put the silver one on top. I put this bottom one, which is technically called a spanner, on the bottom. And now I loosen the spanner. And that lets me pull out the end mill. Now, actually for this, we're going to go ahead and change out the end mill with an end mill of a different size. So this is a 1/4 inch end mill. We want a 1/8 inch end mill for the next cut. So 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch. The problem is that our collet is designed for a 1/4 inch. So we have a 1/8 inch collet. So we have to pull out the 1/4 inch collet to get the 1/8 inch one. So the way you do this, you take the end mill that was just in there, you put it in just barely, just enough so that you can move it around. Then you push on it with your opposite finger, roll it, and it pops right out. If you have to use force, you're doing it wrong. So we take our other one, push it in, it snaps in place, so it won't come out. And now we just screw this back in, so the opposite of what we did just a second ago. By the way, you want the end mill to be in, you want the threads to all be outside of the collet, but not much outside of it. And then you tighten it down. So we're done.